Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll walk through how to hide sensitive media on X, ensuring your feed aligns with your preferences. Whether you're avoiding graphic imagery, adult content, or other sensitive material, these updated steps will help you customize your experience. Let's dive in. Start by opening the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, locate your profile icon in the top left corner. That small circular image representing your account. Give it a tap. This will open a menu with various options. From here, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap it to proceed. Next, you'll land on a page with several categories. Look for Privacy and Safety. This is where we'll focus. Tap it to access X's safety controls. Now, within this section, you'll see an option labeled Content UC. This is the gateway to customizing what appears in your feed. Tap it, then look for sensitive settings right below. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find 3 distinct categories: graphic violence, adult content, and other. Let's tackle them one by one. Start with graphic violence. Tap it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Never Show This from the options. This ensures any posts flagged for violent imagery won't appear in your feed. Now, move to adult content. Tap it, and again, choose Never Show This from the menu. This setting blocks explicit material from surfacing in your timeline. Finally, tap Other. This category covers additional sensitive topics that might not fit the first 2 labels. Repeat the process. Select Never Show This to filter out these posts. Once you've adjusted all 3 categories, you're done. These changes take effect immediately, so you can browse X with peace of mind. Remember, these settings only apply to your account, so if you share a device, others may need to adjust their preferences separately. That's all it takes to tailor your X experience. By following these steps, you've taken control over the content you see, creating a feed that's comfortable and aligned with your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides. See you in the next video.